Welcome back. Now, there could be a case where you find a PLR video, you actually like that video, but you want to turn it into an animated video. So what we would do is we would drag that video into our video editing software. What we're going to do is we're going to open up our video editing software. Then we're going to pull that video down to the timeline. And so in most cases, you're probably going to have video where you like the audio, but you want to make that video more engaging. So you want to either have a drawing hand or you want to have some animation in it. So what we're going to do here is we're first going to separate the video and audio tracks. So now that both are on separate tracks, we're going to go through the process now of creating our keywords and our scenes. This is going to be a little easier than when we were using audio. And the main reason is because we actually have information here. So we would choose our space based on the audio. So you'll see there we've got a gap there, but we're going to choose the words that we see in the slide. So we can actually choose these words and use them as our keyword. And in this case, it would be a good idea to use the marker view. And then we would mark each area. Okay, so let's hide the marker view again. And then let's come over to this gap. We're going to show our marker view, and then we're going to mark this area also. And what we're doing here is we are deciding on where our break is going to be, where our slides are going to be, and then we're going to go back to these areas in order to choose our keywords. And we can choose the keywords now based on the visuals that are already there. We might find something in our video creation software that will draw this just as well, or we might find something that would be close to that or use fewer words. Basically, though, we're going to have an easier time choosing our keywords based on the visuals that are present. Now, once we've created our keywords, we can then do away with the video. We can do that in our video creation software by going down to this timeline, and then we can just delete the video. We're going to take our keyword list now, and we're going to go to our video creation software to design scenes. We can also do, of course, now is we can actually add in music to this track. Now, we're not going to do that in this particular video, but you've already seen now how we can pick royalty-free music. We can add it to this timeline, and then we can reproduce this audio. And then, of course, once the audio is produced, we can then drag it into our video creation software. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.